My name is Blake DeSoto. I'm from Luling, Louisiana. After my injuries, the quality of life was absolutely horrible. I had pain in everything I did, normal, everyday activities and duties. I could not perform. When I first met Dr. Rodriguez, I will admit, walking into the visit, I just thought it was going to be another doctor. I had probably seen 20 different professionals since I had been injured and been through the ringer with procedures, and the surgery was kind of the last-ditch effort to fix me. And when I met him, I knew instantly, this guy's a stud. This is the guy that is gonna fix my world. I had the mindset to want to do better, but with the pain and just the quality of life I had and my physical condition, it was impossible. But I knew that Dr. Rodriguez was gonna help me. I didn't realize he was gonna do such an amazing job with me. After my spinal fusion surgery, my quality of life has been so much better. It probably took a good year before everything felt somewhat strong. But I had been hurting for so long, I had forgotten what strong was like. By year 2, life has been absolutely amazing. Believe it or not, I was told, you know, I'd probably have to sit in a chair for the rest of my life to put my shoes on. And I was not okay with that. I could not go down like that. And Dr. Rodriguez told me that I can do whatever I wanted to do after my surgery. My rehabilitation would depend on me. And now I'm an athlete. I'm an active father. I'm a business owner. I am so many things. And I do more now than I did before I got hurt. I have such an appreciation for my revived life. And it's all because of Dr. Rodriguez and his fantastic hands. For anyone who's considering any type of surgery, Marco Rodriguez is absolutely the best choice you can ever make as far as a physician is concerned.